So hello guys, welcome to our channel Easy Trucking. With this channel we are making some videos around trucking industry, and in this video we are going to talk about the supply chain and its connection with the truck industry, like how it is connected with the truck industry. So first of all, supply chain is a chain in which a company manufacture a product and then sell it to the customer, to the buyer. So in simple words, it's a chain in which a company make a product from raw material and then sell it to the customer. So to make it more simple, we are going to take the example and we are going to break down all the steps of a supply chain. So in the first step, there is a shipper, like who has the raw material of a product, and we already know about the shipper, that shipper is a man who ship things from one place to another place. So in the first step there is shipper who has the raw material, and he send that raw material to the manufacturer to make a product, and then manufacturer make a product from that raw material and send it to the distribution centers. Like distribution center are like warehouses, like big warehouses, and then distribution center, they send that product to the wholesalers, like a small level warehouses, and then the product goes to the retailer, and from retailer it goes to the customer. So this is the supply chain, like from shipper to the manufacturer, then to the distribution center, and then to the wholesalers, and then to the retailers, and finally to the customer. So it is a supply chain. Now I am going to explain that its connection with the truck industry, the connection of supply chain with the truck industry. So in the previous video we talked about the broker. Who is broker? Broker is a middleman who make connection between two businesses. So in the first step, like from shipper to the manufacturer, there will be a broker who make a connection between these two businesses. So there will be a broker and there will be a carrier, because we need something to carry that raw material and deliver it to the manufacturer. So there will be a carrier, and in the next step, like from the manufacturer, when the product is finally made, we again need a broker who will make a connection between warehouse, like the distribution center, and the manufacturer, because broker could be anywhere, because he's a middleman, he make connections, so he could be anywhere. And there will be a carrier, because from manufacturer location we need something to uh, carry that product and deliver to the distribution center. So the trucks pick up that a product from the manufacturer and deliver to the distribution center. And again in the next step we need something to carry that product, and again in the next and the next. So from this we can say that carrier and broker are everywhere. There they we need carrier and broker everywhere in the supply chain, because we need them to to make the connection and to carry their product. So there is a connection between the supply chain and the truck industry, because in supply chain, in all the steps, we need a broker, carrier, or dispatcher in every stage. So this is the video about supply chain, in which we explain that what is supply chain and how it is connected with the tech industry. So I hope you learned something new from this video. If you learned something new, please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, because in the next videos we are going to explain more complicated things about the tech industry. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.